Introducing user groups. User groups are a powerful way to help scale your company and manage different people across Rome. Let me show you some of the features of user groups. Admins can configure groups, and you go over into your administration and click on user groups, where you'll see the ability to create a new user group. And you can add as many people as you like to the user group, like we've done here. And one of the cool things is you can add a default chat group. So anybody that's added to a user group will be automatically added to any default chat group that you put down here. Now, the next thing you can do is mention a user group in Rome. So I'm going to actually do that right now and go over to our all hands group. And I'm going to say at inventors, please ignore the invite you're about to get. I'm recording a MagicCast. So I've mentioned everyone in the inventors group who is going to see this notification now. I'm going to now go ahead and go into a meeting to show you the next thing you can do, which is you can invite all members of a user group into a meeting. Now, this is really powerful. So I'm going to jump into the meeting room right here, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up the invite tab. Go ahead and invite. Oop, I think I have to do it like that. There we go. And invite an entire group of inventors. Now, I told them in the previous chat to disregard
Recording Magic Minutes.
but apparently Tom didn't see the message that I just sent. So Tom, you can say hello. You're on the MagicCast. We're going to go ahead and go on to the next feature here, which is that you can use the user group in your lobby. So go ahead and open up your lobby, and you can specify a user group like a sales team or an engineering team as hosts for round robin or for any other type of meeting feature that you want. This is really cool because this way you can specify a certain group to be rotated around, and that group will dynamically change as you add or remove people from that user group. And then the last thing that we're going to show you with user groups is that you can set magic minutes to automatically trigger to start based off of being in a certain user group. So if I go over, and this is for administrators, so you go into administration and you go over to magic minutes, and you can specify now rooms to start magic minutes automatically, certain floors to start magic minutes automatically, and now user groups. So if you wanted any meeting that had that user group in it to start magic minutes automatically, you would just type it in here and include it and then select magic minutes. And that is user groups. I hope you enjoyed this powerful new feature as you scale your company. We'll see you next week.